Hello everyone. Welcome to the next class of Consumer Equilibrium Ordinal approach. Today we are going to discuss about the last heading of this chapter, that is Consumer Equilibrium with the help of indifference curve. Consumer equilibrium with the help of indifference curve can also be termed as consumer equilibrium under Hicksian analysis of demand. I am repeating again, consumer equilibrium under Hicksian analysis of demand. This question can usually ask for 6 marks in the paper. That is, define consumer equilibrium with the help of IC or explain consumer equilibrium with the help of Hicksian analysis of demand. Now, this consumer equilibrium we are going to study with the help of indifference curve and budget line together. This we have to discuss with the help of indifference curve and budget line together. Meaning it was already clear to you in the last class. That is, it is the level that gives maximum satisfaction in consumer having no tendency to make any changes in it. In the same manner, I have written here. Consumer equilibrium refers to a situation in which consumer derives maximum satisfaction with no intention to make any change in it. This is same as per the previous consumer equilibrium. Assumptions we have already discussed, that is consumer income is constant, rational consumer, diminishing MRS, ordinal measurement of utility, A's are constant. Now whenever we are going to discuss about the situation of equilibrium, one more head was added in that situation, that is conditions. So first and the foremost condition is slope of IC equals to slope of budget line. Slope of IC means it can be denoted as MRS XY and slope of budget line can be denoted as PX upon PY. Just two things you need to discuss, that is slope of IC is termed as MRS XY, slope of budget line equals to PX and PY. Second condition is IC should be convex to the point of origin. IC should be convex to the point of origin. This was the situation. Consumer equilibrium is a situation where a consumer gets maximum satisfaction and having no tendency to make any changes in it. Assumptions, it was already clear to you. Condition first and the foremost important condition is slope of IC equals to slope of budget line. That is MRS XY equals to Px upon Py. MRS XY can be denoted as slope of a difference curve. Px upon Py can be denoted as slope of budget line. Now next starting with the schedule. This we have already done, that is combinations. Good Y, good X. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. First value is 50. As we have already discussed in the last class how to prepare the schedule, 50 minus 10, 40. 40 minus 8, 32. 32 minus 6, 26. 26 minus 4, 22. This was the schedule. What we need to do is we need to find out MRS XY. That is delta Y upon delta X. Delta Y, change in Y, 10 upon delta X 2. 10 upon 2, that is 5. Next, 8 upon 2, that is 4. Next, 6 upon 2, that is 3. Next, 4 upon 2, that is 2. It means MRS is diminishing and the condition is satisfied, that is IC should be convex to the point of origin. As I have already told you, in this situation, we need to discuss the situation of consumer equilibrium with the help of IC and budget line together. IC and budget line together. This is x-axis, this is point of origin, this is y-axis. This is good Y, this is good X. Equilibrium is a situation where IC and budget line should be together. It means IC should be tangent to the budget line. Tangent means touch the budget line. I am preparing three indifference curve here. One is IC1, one is IC2, one is IC3. Now as per the situation, IC3 gives maximum level of satisfaction. But it is not the point of equilibrium. IC3 is not the point of equilibrium as it is away from budget line. As it is away from budget line. IC1 can choose the point of equilibrium, that is A and B. I am writing down A and B. A or B can be the situation of equilibrium, but it is not the situation of equilibrium as it is situated on lower IC, and lower IC means lower level of satisfaction. and lower IC means lower level of satisfaction. So IC3 is not the situation of equilibrium, IC1 is not the situation of equilibrium. So I will definitely get the equilibrium on IC2. That is, this point is termed as equilibrium as here the condition is satisfied, that is slope of IC equals to slope of budget line or indifference curve should be tangent to the budget line. So this point shows the situation of equilibrium. It means IC2 is the point of equilibrium where a consumer gets OY units of Y and OX units of X. This is the situation of equilibrium. Is it clear? Now we are at the end of the chapter or end of the conclusion, that is two situations were there, that is MRS XY greater than Px upon Py. What we need to do? If situation is MRS XY less than Px upon Py, what we need to do? Means this is not the situation of equilibrium as it was already clear to you. I am just assuming this as the equilibrium. It means when Px upon Py is 4, this is the situation of equilibrium. Just taking an example to clear it to you. Means if this was the situation, it means 5 is greater than 4. MRS XY 5 is greater than 4. This I have already assumed that this remains constant throughout. This is 5 is greater than 4. Is it the situation of equilibrium? No, this is not the situation of equilibrium. So what we need to do? What we need to do is we need to move to the next level. That is, we need to increase the consumption of good X and decrease the consumption of good Y. So I am writing down consumption of X should be increased and consumption of Y should be decreased. Ultimately, MRS XY equals to 4 or MRS XY equals to Px upon Py. This is the situation. Next level, MRS XY is less than Px upon Py. It means 3 is less than 4. We are here at this level. We need to move on this level. What we need to do? We need to decrease the consumption of good X and increase the consumption of good Y. Ultimately, MRS XY equals to 4. So, MRS XY equals to Px upon Py. This was the situation of equilibrium under Hicksian analysis of demand, or this was the situation under consumer equilibrium with the help of a difference curve. Thank you.